Would you like to make a treasure map from your own neighborhood for scavenger hunts? Keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tina. I am the designer and co-founder of VectoriaDesigns. Spring and summer are on their way and the scavenger hunt is always great fun when the weather's good. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make a treasure map from your own neighborhood using a street map website and throwing that on some old paper. And then we're going to mix it up on befunky.com, the free version. In this tutorial I used a treasure map background from our shop, but I provided you with a free old paper and that also works very great. There's also a treasure chest. In Dutch it's called schatkist. That's a lot easier than treasure chest. Anyway, there's also a treasure chest and some numbered markers in the free kit. Just click on the link below and a zip folder with all the free items will download. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button for some more paper crafting tutorials. And now let's start. First, we need to find the map of our neighborhood online. You can go to Google Maps, but it has so many markers these days that I'd rather use openstreetmap.org. Find a location for your treasure hunt. I'm going to pretend I live in London and that Hyde Park is just my backyard. Make a screenshot of the neighborhood and save that screenshot on your computer. Go to befunky.com and click on Photo Editor. Then upload the screenshot you just made. Go to the toolbar on the far left and make sure you're in the edit mode. Then, just to be safe, click on Sharpen and play around with the settings to make your map a bit sharper. I like to use a second symbol to sharpen my image. And confirm. Click on Color and then drag the saturation all the way to the left. This way your map will be in grayscale. On the top of the screen, save your map to your computer. Make sure to set the quality to 100. Give it a name and save. On top of the screen, click Upload again and upload the background for your map. You can use the free old paper I provided. I'm going to use a treasure map background from our shop, but the process is just the same. The background opens on your screen. Then on the toolkit on your left, go to the upper symbol to the Layer Manager. Click Add Layer and search for the grayscale map you just saved on your computer. The map appears on top of the background. Drag the corners of the map to make it as large as you like. Then in the Layer Properties window, set the blend mode to Darken. This way the map literally mixes with the background and it gives a very nice effect. The base of our treasure map is now ready and we're going to add some elements. Click Add Layer again and search for the extra elements I provided in the free download. First, I'm going to put the treasure in place on our map. Make it as small as you like and drag it into place. Then do the same to add some number signposts. On these spots, your treasure hunters can do an assignment or solve a puzzle or something. By the way, here's a tip to add some more free elements to your map. Go to pixabay.com, search for treasure or chest or pirates. On the top left, set your images to illustration. And the most important of all, set the color to transparent. This way Pixabay searches for images that don't have a background and they fit perfectly on your map. Look at all the nice elements you can get here for free. Some of them are stunning. Back to befunky.com. When you're happy with your treasure map and it's all ready, save it to your computer. Print out the finished map, cut off any white edges, and finally, if you like, Add some dotted lines with a marker to mark the way. I hope this tutorial was super helpful to you and inspired you to make loads of scavenger hunting treasure maps from your neighborhood or your school or whatever. Please share this video with friends that might love it too, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a very good day. See you next time, bye! We're giving these crafting printables away to those who subscribe to our newsletter. Here's how! Click on the subscribe link below, click on the button I want this now and fill in your information. When you've done that, simply click submit. You'll receive an email with a confirmation link. Click that link and moments later you'll receive another email with a download link for your freebies.